everyone, here we will present about the sport of Jiu-Jitsu. First, we will introduce ourselves. I'm Bella Ramadhani.
I'm Ahyana Nikan Ramawati. I'm Kiptia Farazuha.
Okay, let's get straight to the material. The first material is definition. Jiu-Jitsu is a martial art organization from Japan, which focus on neck technique, joint locks, and other body locks to control and subdue opponent. This sport has developed into several main styles, the most famous of which are Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or BJJ and Japanese Jiu-Jitsu or Jujutsu. The following is a complete explanation of each branch. Japanese Jiu-Jitsu or Jujutsu. Jujutsu is a traditional Japanese martial art that has existed since the 60th century. Jujutsu combines various traditional Japanese techniques of attack, defense, and use of weapons. Jujutsu training includes learning, throwing, dropping, joint locks, and unarmed self-defense technique. Jujutsu often also involves training with traditional weapons such as swords, sticks, and knives. But sport emphasizes the development of physical and mental skills and teach values such as discipline, respect, and self-control, while BJJ focus more on ground fighting and grappling technique. Jujutsu involves more personal defense technique and traditional Japanese weapons. The second material is terminology. Terminology in Jiu-Jitsu, namely Ji, no-Ji, rolling, guard, mount side, control, submission, takedown, sweep, aus, roll, and bell.
Type of competition: Gi kimono, a match using a gi until a series of technical shook allows throws. No gi, similar to a gi but without the use of kimono, focus more on grappling techniques without claws. Tournament, a competition in which participants compete in specific weight class and skill level for the title of champion. Super fight, single match between two competitors that are often the main event in major jiu-jitsu events. Team versus team, a team competition in which teams of several participants compete against other teams. Zombies only, a match where the only way to win the match is throw something the opponent without a time limit. Point-based, a match in which points are awarded for correctly execute techniques include position, control, and striking technique. Glossary: the guard defense position width of the floor with feet between opponents to control distance. Submission, a technique to make an opponent submit, shook a lock or hold. Sweep, technique for knocking off opponent for a definition position at lower position. Mount, position with you are top over opponent with your legs overlapping and controlling your opponent's body. Escape, technique for getting out of a position trapped or lucky by an opponent. Takedown, technique for knocking an opponent from a standing position to the floor. Kimura, a locking technique of the opponent's arm. Armbar, technique of locking the opponent's arm with the knee attack with the elbow. Triangle cock, technique of locking an opponent's neck with legs and arm. Good pass, technique for passing the opponent's guard defense. Equipment: gi kimono, belt, mouthguard, ear protector, knee pad and elbow pad, rash guard, headguard and golf, tape, water bottles, towels. Basic technique: guard passes, technique for passing the opponent's guard. Mounting, dominate your opponent by being on top of him. Submission hold, locking your opponent to make him submit. Sweep, change position from bottom to top quickly. Escape, getting out of an unfavorable position. Name of national and international organization: Indonesian Jiu-Jitsu Executive Board, Federasi Jiu-Jitsu Internasional.